This place is on Greenwood. This is the best place to come. Oh my God, let me tell you how this food, the soup, this is oxtail red pea soup. And let me tell you how it's so good. Oh my God. You can see the texture of the soup, how good it is. Let me tell you. This is one bowl of it. That is another bowl of it right there. And let me tell you, I'm finishing up this one, but because oh my God, I've ordered everything on the menu. The menu is this, and this is the place Jamaican Eat. Yeah, Jamaican Eat. This is it, and this is it here at 19,990 Highway 12, Green Bank. Take out and dine in. We're dining in. This is what the place looks like. It's still working on, but girl, let me tell you, and people, let me tell you how this place, it's the best. So far, this is all I had, which is the oxtail red peas soup. And this is the address, phone number, everything about it. They have Monday to Friday lunch special, which is $7.99 from 11 till 2. So come on, check them out. This, I'm gonna be doing another vlogging. Okay.